In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the black screen that gets stuck on the loading screen in Battlefield 2042. If you've been experiencing this frustrating issue, you're not alone, and I'm here to guide you through the process of resolving it step by step. First, let's ensure that your game files are intact. Go ahead and open your game launcher or platform where Battlefield 2042 is installed. You'll want to find your game library and locate Battlefield 2042 in the list. Once you've done that, look for the option to verify the integrity of the game files. This process is vital as it can detect and repair any missing or corrupt files that might be causing the problem. The verification might take a few minutes, so be patient while it runs its course. After it's completed, try launching the game again to see if the issue persists. If you're still encountering the black screen, another effective method is to update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can often lead to compatibility issues with new game updates. To do this, head over to your computer's device manager. You can usually access this by right-clicking on the Start menu or typing Device Manager in the search bar. Once there, find and expand the section labeled Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the update. For some, this might mean heading over to the manufacturer's website, like NVIDIA or AMD, and downloading the latest drivers manually. Either way, keeping your drivers updated is essential for optimal game performance. Next, let's address the possibility of an issue with your in-game settings. Start by going to the graphics settings in Battlefield 2042. Check the settings for resolution and window mode. Sometimes, setting the game to run in windowed mode can bypass the problem temporarily, allowing you to adjust other settings and find the root cause. Adjust these settings and try a combination that fits well with your system capabilities. If that doesn't resolve your issue, you might need to adjust your system's power settings. Sometimes, energy-saving options on your computer can throttle the performance needed for gaming. Go into your computer's control panel and locate the power options. Ensure that it's set to High Performance. This simple switch can make a significant difference in how your system handles resource-intensive games like Battlefield 2042. Lastly, it's always wise to ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for the game. Double-check the specifications listed on the game's website against your hardware. If any components fall short, focusing on upgrades might be necessary. I've walked you through some essential steps to fix the black screen issue. I hope one of these solutions works for you, and you can get back to enjoying Battlefield 2042. If you continue to face problems, it might be worth reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and best of luck.